Good morning, students. So we are going to discuss about the second problem in 14.3, isn't it? The chapter name is very good. I think all of you remember it, isn't it? Statistics, right? The first question I gave you as homework. Did you do it? There you need to find out three cases. One is a mean, median and mode. Did you do it? Right. Very good, Nan. Very good. If you have any doubt, you can post me or call me by 9441268133. Thank you. See, in the second question, if the median of 60 observations of given below is 28.2, find the values of x and y. Keep a star for this question. It is an important question, Nana. In the same manner, you have an example there in page number 344. In page number 344, example 8, the same model. Okay, after doing this one, you practice that question also. So let's take the question here. In the question given to us, the second question in exercise 14.3. Coming here, given median m is equal to, how much it is given? 28.5. 28.5. So, and the classes, whereas the frequencies are given to us, and I know all of you know what should we use the third column to find the median. Very good, Nana, very good. It is nothing but cumulative frequency. Very good, Nana, right. Well, let's take the values 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and next 40 to 50, next 50 to 60. Okay, right. Now here the frequencies are given as 5, x, 20, 15, y and 5. Okay guys, and it is also given that 60 observations. 60 observations is nothing but the total observations is given by n, that is sum of the frequencies is 60 given to us. Observe carefully, as n is known to you. I said you need to find n by 2, that is 60 by 2, which is equal to 30. Why should we find this n by 2? To know, very good, to know median class. But where is 30 value? Where are you going to search this value? Very good, you are going to search that value in cumulative frequencies. So we need to find the cumulative frequency, that is 5. 5 added to x, it becomes 5 plus x. 5 added to 20, it becomes 25 plus x. 25 added to 15, you get 40 plus x. 40 plus x added to y, you get 40 plus x plus y. And then added to 5, you get 45 plus x plus y. Can you identify where do you have 30? The 30th person in the total class, isn't it? So 5 members are here. So what about x? If the x is less than 25, so your value may be in the next class. If it is greater than 25, then your value will be here. So you can't decide where is this 30th person or this 30th observation present in the cumulative frequencies, so that we cannot find the median class, isn't it? How? How to find the answer now? Yes, very good, very good. What is that? It is by the value given to us, we can find the median class. How could we find? 28.5 is a value which lies between 20 and 30. 28.5, the value lies between 20 and 30. Hence, this class is considered as median class. Okay, as median is equal to 28.5, median class is equal to 22 30. Is it clear? Now if this is the median class, then what is your F? Very good. The frequency of the median class is taken as F. What is your CF? Excellent, Nana. The cumulative frequency preceding the median class is taken as CF. Now we are going to take the formula. M is equal to L plus of N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Excellent, excellent. So all of you remember the formula. Very good, Nana. Now what is M given to us? 28.5 is equal to, what is L? The lower boundary of the median class, nothing but 20. So substitute here 20 plus, what is N by 2? We calculated it already. So N by 2 is nothing but 30 minus what is CF? 5 plus X. So 5 plus X. See, most of the students will do a simple and silly mistake, that is this one. When you are taking a binomial, you should not write in this manner. You have to put a bracket there so that no any confusion. Okay, ma? Right. By F, what is F here? 20. And can you tell me what is H? H means size of the class. The difference between the successive lower limits or the successive upper limits. So 10 minus 0 is 10. That is your size, not height. I said you should not call that one as height. It's just size of the class. Now you transpose this 20. You should not cancel 20 and 20. Why? Because this is plus in between them. If you want, you can cancel 0 and 0 or 10 ones and 10 twos. Just transpose 20 to the left side, Nana. Okay, let me do here. Right. If we come here, 28.5 minus 20 is equal to, this 20 is transposed to the left, so minus 20, and what do you get here? 30 minus into plus minus 5 minus into plus minus X whole upon 2. So what do you get here on subtraction? Very good, Amma. 8.5, and this 2 is transposed to the left, so into 2 is equal to 30 minus 5 equal to 25 minus X. So how much do you get here? Very good, 17 is equal to 25 minus X. Transpose, so you get X is equal to 25 minus 17, so you get X is equal to 8. Okay, ma? X is equal to 8. Oh, we need to find Y also here. Now, how could we find Y? See, observe carefully. You have to add all the frequencies. Now, all the frequencies are nothing but 5, and what do you get here? That is 45 plus X plus Y. This is nothing but equal to N. So, I take here N is equal to 45 plus X plus Y, where N is given as 60, isn't it? N is given as 60 and X is given as 8. We take 60 is equal to 45 plus 8 plus Y. 45 plus 8 is 53. Just transpose 60 minus 53 is equal to Y, hence you get Y is equal to 7. Okay, ma? Did you understand, everybody? Y is equal to 7. So this question is most and most important for you, and the same question in the example I said you. So practice these two questions very well for tomorrow. We will discuss in the next video. Bye.